Hi everyone, how's it going? It's me Sabine here. Welcome to the brand new video, and in this video we're going to be doing a review of Hostinger. So welcome to my Hostinger 2021 review. We are going to do a detailed review of this web hosting provider, which is by far one of the greatest web hosting provider that I have ever used. I have been doing online marketing since 2016, have tested over 5 different web hosting provider, but still Hostinger is one of the greatest one because there is a lot of reason. So make sure to normally watch this review until the end, where I'm going to be talking about every single thing that why Hostinger is better comparing to any other web hosting provider for the beginner who are just getting started with the online marketing industry, or who want to normally create their very first website. They have got three or four different pricing plan. As you can see, for basic website they have got a 3 different pricing plan, and they do have got a way more feature. Make sure to normally click a link which will be down below this video. At any point during this review, if you decided to get a copy of a Hostinger, there will be also a coupon code that you can consider using it in order to get an addiction discount. So I have been a paying customer for Hostinger since 2018 here, and as you can see, this is an account that I have created I guess on 2020, which was one of my fresh account, where I have hosted around 3 different domain name, and I have also normally hosted one web hosting, which is this particular plan, premium plan, which will allow me to create up to 100 website. Okay, they do have got a way more feature that I'm going to be explaining throughout the review, so make sure to watch it until the end. And at any point during this review, if you want to ask me anything related to Hostinger, you can consider commenting below. I will be very happy to solve your query. So they have got 3 different plan here. So let's begin. What are the plan that they are offering at the point? So first, they have got a single shared hosting, premium shared hosting, and business shared hosting. Single shared hosting will cost you normally $1 per month if you just buy a new account, which will allow you to create one website, 10 GB SSD storage, which is more than enough. And they have normally give their best to be honest as possible. Lot of hosting brand will claim that they are going to be giving you unlimited SSD storage, but which is impossible. No one is going to be normally giving you unlimited SSD storage for a $5 per month web hosting, because SSD are way more costly comparing to a normal storage device. And they have basically so everything that they are offering on the back end, the resources that they are providing. And if you compare their pricing with other web hosting provider like Bluehost, HostGator, Namecheap, and GoDaddy, they are way more affordable for the beginner. They are allow you to host up to 10,000 monthly visitor, which is more than enough as a beginner for your first website. You are not going to be normally driving millions of traffic. I don't want you to normally be on any kind of a false expectation or something. Your very first website is not going to be receiving too much traffic or something like that. So 10,000 monthly visitor will be more than enough. Another will be one business email account, which will be helping you to establish your own online presence, because using free Gmail or a Hotmail will not do anything at all when it comes to making money from a website, from Google AdSense, by doing online marketing or for whatever purpose you want to create your website. You are also going to be getting a free Ssl certificate, which is kind of a look like this one, a secured option on your website, which will help you to get a better ranking on Google and any other search engine, because search engine are going to be giving a more priority to the website which has got a Ssl on them. You are not going to be getting a free domain name and paid advertisement credit on the this particular plan here. You are going to be getting 100 GB bandwidth, which will be more than enough. You can manage a WordPress website. You are going to be getting a WordPress accessories. There will be a 30-day money back guarantee, a 2 database, and GIT access here. So these are things which has been normally included on the basic shared single shared plan that you can get only on a $1 per month, which is way more cheaper for the exact same number of a service. Even a less service and feature, you have to pay around $3 to $5 if you consider buying from any other web hosting provider, right? Premium shared hosting and business shared hosting for more advanced. This will cost you around we can consider it a $2 per month. 100 website will be a total limit, 20 GB SSD storage, 25 GB, okay, 25,000 monthly visitor, free email account, free Ssl certificate, free domain name for the 1 year, Google ad credit. You are going to be getting I guess a $150 ad credit. Okay, so $150 ad credit to promote your website on Google AdWords absolutely for free. Unlimited bandwidth, manage a WordPress accessories, 30-day money back guarantee, You are also going to be getting an unlimited database, GIT accessories, and SSH access. So these all are a feature that you are going to be getting in this one. Another will be an business year hosting, I guess. Okay, business year hosting, you're getting pretty much a more feature comparing to the basic plan and a premium plan, but that's upon you which plan you want to choose here. They usually have gotten a 90% off discount sale also, and if you consider using a link which will be down below this video on description, you are also going to be getting a massive discount, and you are also going to be getting one discount coupon code, right? Okay, so now I'm going to be normally taking you to a main dashboard here. Once you normally set up your account, once you go to a hosting portion, as you can see all of the listed services that you have purchased on a hostinger, like a web hosting and domain name. So I'm normally going to be going to a manage option of my web hosting, where I can show you every single feature that they have got on their system. Okay, you can call it a C panel. Okay, so first will be in a dashboard of your website. You can select which website database that you want to access at the point. You can track every single thing, like how many resources that you are currently using, which has been allowed to you or which you have brought. Like I'm only using a 20%, 27%, a 9%, and 13%, which is really less. And as you can see, they have gotten a dashboard and plugin option where you can directly get redirect to your WordPress website without even have to log in, and you can manage every single thing from here. I've got order uses, renew, upgrade, and set a main domain name. These are some order detail and other stuff. A detail, you are also allowed to change a password. Here are a feature which has been included on the email provider, like email account, which will allow you to create a business email with your domain name. Email forward, catch all email, autoresponder, edit MX recorder, mail server controller. I've got subdomain feature, which is going to be giving you a subdomain that you can generate if you are buying a premium web hosting or more than premium, which will allow you to create more than one website. You can pick the domain name, you can add any website, you can set up a redirect. Cloudflare has been included. And installing a WordPress or any other website builder, they have made really easy. Like you can use an auto installer and install any website builder, like WordPress, Joomla, or any other website builder that you want. You can also learn coding. You are going to be getting an SEO toolkit as well, but this will cost you addiction money. You can also directly import a website. You don't have to go to a file manager and go to in deep technical stuff at all. You can migrate your website. Error page here. After that, file manager, if you want to normally do some changes on your file manager, you can directly access from here. You can also back up an entire file manager. You can create a FTP account as well. After that, you are going to be getting in a database and other necessary resources that you need. And here is some advanced resources you are getting, like cache manager, GIT, Ssl, SSH, core job, PHP configuration, DNS zone editor. And if you go below, you can protect password protection here, IP manager, or hotlink protection, folder index manager, fixed file ownership, activate log, reset account, and deactivate the account. So these all are things which has been included. And if you have got one or more than one domain name, you can switch to any domain name by using this particular option, where you can manage every single thing. Your username, your domain name, and every single detail that you need will be included. So now before I normally end my review, I will quickly take you to an email portion here. Okay, as you can see, I have already created my email on this particular specific hosting here. So I'll just go to this particular hosting. Once I normally go to that one, I have to normally go on a email account. So in this one, I can normally catch up all the email account that I have created, which will be really easy. As you can see, this is going to be showing you every single detail that you need to know about your emails. You can create as much email that you want if you are buying a premium account. Okay, so premium plan here, let me go. So if you are buy the basic, there will be a lot of limitation, but it will be more than enough for a starter. If you are just getting started with online industry, you just want one website, this plan will be perfect for you. Or if you want to do some testing, you have to set up a niche website or something like that, or you have to normally test a lot of stuff, you can consider checking out their premium shared hosting, which will cost around $2 we can consider per month, but this is really cheap. 100 website, 20 GB SSD storage. You can check it out on your own time. Okay, so now I'm normally moving to my email account where there are every single feature. So you can create an email account. As you can see, this is a domain name. I can select whichever specific domain name that I want, subdomain name that I want to create an email. Just give it a what will be the first portion of an email, choose a password, and as you can see, these are the email that I have currently created. I can click on any of them and directly access those here. Okay, so if I normally want to, I can normally click on email section and it will take me to a dashboard where I can check out all my email. So as you can see, this makes things really easy and simple. You are going to be getting in a business email, you are going to be getting in every single stuff that you need in just a cheapest price comparing to any other hosting brand. So my recommendation will be Hostinger will be a perfect web hosting provider if you are just getting started with the online industry, do not have got too much money to spend on a web hosting. You can consider checking out a Hostinger. You can try out other brand as well, but I will be giving a more priority to a Hostinger because I have been a happy customer for almost a 3 year or 2 or 3 year, I'm not so sure. They have got really good service and they do have got a really good chat support which is gonna be helping you to respond within an hour. Okay, so they are ready, as you can see, under 1 hour they are gonna be respond to you, and they are not like any other chat support. They are gonna be giving you every single resources that you need to solve that particular query. They are gonna be helping you one-on-one, and they are gonna be keep emailing you until and unless you are not gonna be fixing the issue that you have got for a purpose you have normally reach out to them. They are going to be giving you a lot of report, lot of article which is going to be helping you to normally solve it, lot of step-by-step checklist in order to solve your query. So they do have got one of the best chat support. They do not have got a live chat support due to a COVID issue, but they do have got one of the best chat support that I have ever seen. Okay, so I think this is the perfect time for ending a review of a Hostinger. So if this is something that you have been looking for, if you are looking for one of the bestest web hosting, you can consider checking out a Hostinger. You can click a link which will be down below this video, which will take you to this very own page where you can choose whichever plan you want. Okay, so after that, just select a plan which you want to normally order, and there will be also one discount code that I have included. I'll just show you how you're going to be applying that discount code, so you are going to be saving some money. Okay, so once you normally reach to that particular portion, there will be an option like coupon code. So I have already included that specific coupon code. Just click on I have coupon, enter SABIN, my name, on a full capital, and click on this plus icon, which will allow you to save few bucks that you can use to buy a domain name or some other resources. So Sabine signing out with a review of a Hostinger. You can consider grabbing your copy by clicking a link which will be down below this video. If you have got anything to ask, let me know. I will be very happy to normally solve your query or answering your query. New to the channel, consider subscribing and press the bell icon because this channel is all about online marketing. Sabine signing out with a review of a Hostinger. I'm gonna be checking you out on the next one. Until then, take care and bye bye.